viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. In this video, I am going to explain how to get information of blank cells when we do Vlookup. Here in customer ID, there are two blank cells, and in sales also two blank cells, balance three blank cells. Each and every column we should know. When we do Vlookup, we should get information whether the customer ID is missing or sales missing or balance missing. How do we do that? For simple Vlookup, just try Vlookup. Just give lookup value, then give range, freeze, comma, for sales column number 3, comma 0, close. Here we don't have any information whether it is available or not, but we don't want this type of errors. For that, we need to create formula if is blank. Whenever the data is missing in master data or source data, we can able to get idea. For that, simply add one more formula. First thing is, I just do if is blank. I just give reference. If it is a blank, then give inverted commas, no customer ID. One more thing, again we have to know whether the sales figure also missing, then we have to write one more if condition. For that, again if is blank, just give reference of sales, bracket close, comma, here we need to give no sales. After that, just give Vlookup formula. Vlookup, bracket open, reference, range, sales in third column. Before that, just to freeze it, comma, third column 3, comma 0, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, enter. Just copy. See, we will get information whether the customer ID is missing, then immediately you will get the information. If the sales figure is missing, we will get the information. Here the main problem is we can able to get only one. Both are missing here. So one is given. The same way we can able to get balance also. The same process. If is blank, bracket open, bracket close, same way you just give no cust ID, inverted commas, comma, we need to give balance. So open again if is blank, balance, bracket close, comma, inverted commas, balance missing, inverted commas, comma, then do Vlookup, bracket reference, then range, freeze, comma, 4, comma, 0, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, enter. Here we can able to get balance missing and no customer. Same way you will get it. Here also customer ID is missing. Here balance missing. If you like this trick, please comment it, share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.